So, on our journey, Brad has injured his knee and cut it open. Tragically. We've wandered somewhere into the desert. Ah, look at that view. That's alright. What else have we got to do? This is our rally course. Are you ready?
I think this is an extremely bad idea.
It is a bad idea, but
It was my idea.
it was your idea, yeah. This is going to be... Yeah, we will lose our €8. Oh no, we didn't put a deposit down. Don't go over the bump. I really don't know if we should. No, we're not going down that hill. Brad. No, shall we? Let's go down it and see where it goes.
We've got to get back.
Yeah, we'll get back.
Alright.
You can see we're literally in the middle of nowhere. I don't know how we've got here and how we're getting home. We're both sweating.
Why am I even doing this? This is silly. This is really silly.
Going down that hill was funny.
It's not even really fast. It wasn't even that steep.
I know.
It's a battery light flashing.
No. No. We'll get on the right side of the road. Yeah. Oh, look where we've got to. A magical place.
No, I can't go on.
Okay. Okay, just remember we don't probably need to pedal down this bit. Brad. I don't think we should pedal. Uh-oh. Yeah, don't pedal, don't pedal, whatever you do. The castle, that way, the castle.
No, we're going to the beach.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Ah, look at that. That's cool.
See, this is such a good idea, well done. Go that way, put it down.
Okay, cool. Down to the beach.
Okay.
That is amazing.
Wow.
Park it here.
No, take it up there so it doesn't go anywhere.
No, it's just walk down the hill. Let's leave it here. It's fine. You don't need it.
Okay. Oh, and we were okay.
Let's have a look at the view. Battery light's flashing now.